we've got pigeons landing on this play equipment. They come in the afternoon, sit up here, pooing in all on the swings and this trough.
Bowl swing.
And this bowl swing, obviously making it unusable for the kids. So we are going to do a quick install, clean it all down, make sure it's all ready to go, pop some spikes up, and hopefully then the kids can get home from school today and have a good old play on the swing in the sun. Today we're going to use our Defender wide plastic. This is a great lightweight product with a great fan of pins that will stop pigeons from landing on the top of the beam of the swing.